Hey there, it's Miss Wendy, and today we're going to be making a kindness tree. I'll let you know what makes it a kindness tree and what these ribbons are all about. Come join me. What you'll need for this craft is a paper bag and scissors. Everything else is optional. I have a ruler, colored pencils and a pencil, crayons, paper, and also some yarn. It's also optional to have a piece of cardboard and maybe even a glue stick if you wanted to decorate your cardboard with some leftover yarn when you glue on your tree.
How do we turn all of this into a tree? Well, let me show you how. So now you have each of these spaces is 1 inch in width. We're going to cut down each of those lines. So that's what makes this a kindness tree. I'm going to draw a heart too, because I think that spreading love is part of kindness. Okay, so you can put those things in there because it's what's on the inside that counts, right? And then what we're going to do from here, you're just going to squeeze this together. So this is going to become your trunk. You want to keep a base, so you may even squeeze it down onto the table and twist it a little bit. And then what we want to do for our tree branches, take maybe 3 at a time, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, maybe switch it up a bit, and you're going to start to twist them. Twist them like that. It may rip a little bit, that's okay. Don't worry too much. And then when you feel kind of like you have a little bit of a branch, you've twisted it a little bit. If you want these to branch out too, what you can do is start to twist each one of those. You could even cut that, and I think I'm gonna need one more twist or so, and then make even smaller little branches coming off of that branch. But that's just something if you want to do. You don't have to. It's all up to your creativity. And there is your tree. Now you can shape it, mold it, however you'd like, and also you can decorate it however you'd like, with stickers or with you can cut out pieces of paper and make leaves. The other thing that you might want to do, like I've done with this tree here, is I've tied yarn around it. You can use yarn, you can use ribbon, but each little bow can serve as a reminder to be kind. So with this tie, I'm gonna say, I'd like to remember to be kind, to choose kindness. So you could just leave it like that if you'd like, or if you have some cardboard handy and you wanted to attach it to the cardboard like that, you could do that as well, and then decorate the cardboard. So that is our paper bag tree craft. Have a great day and thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.